Hello, this is Dr. Turker Özyiğit. I'm an aesthetical plastic surgeon. This is my own clinic in Istanbul. Today I want to talk about female genital problems. Female genital problems is starting from externally, going till to the cervix of uterine. What are the problems, general problems, mostly experienced by females after pregnancies, after weight losses, by aging? The problems start outside of the genitalia, also the inside. The hypertrophy of the labia minora is one of the most common problems, which is needed to be corrected by surgery. Surgery by myself is done with laser. Laser is a bloodless procedure and an outpatient procedure, and I'm one of the plastic surgeon is performing laser labiaplasty here in Istanbul. The other most common problem is the hyperpigmentation of the labia major and vulva area. So the solution is laser bleaching, which is done without any anesthesia as an outpatient procedure. So the other problems could be like mons pubis hypertrophy, fat depositions, or labia major area fat resorption by aging. So there is a term, it's called baby labia. Baby labia means fuller outer labia. Fat is injected, or some kinds of spatial fillers are injected to the labia major area to have a Barbie appearance. And the problems sometimes are seen as a whole. So we evaluate the external genitalia as a whole. The internal genitalia can also be affected by multiple pregnancies, by aging, by time, by weight losses. So the solution is vaginal tightening, which is also can be done with laser without any general anesthesia or local anesthesia. The laser procedures are generally staged procedures. So we evaluate all the internal and external area as a whole and touch where the problems are. Sometimes we do bleaching, at the same time labia minora plasty, sometimes internal vagina plasty with laser. Sometimes we do surgical reductions or fat transfers according to the problems occurring in one time. So here I want to announce to my patients that here I am, can address all the problems in one time with my laser-based technology here.